lots of asking. Today, I'm going to show you how to install open, the back ForgeRock OpenDJ. So in this video, you would be seeing how will I download the OpenDJ and install the OpenDJ. So I've gone to the OpenDJ website and I'm selecting 3.0 and then the zip file and download the zip file. And the OpenDJ file is here. So I've extracted the file and then copy this file over to my C:\OpenDJ. So, and then what you have to do is, I'm going to show how to run that really quick. Then this, you have to run the setup as an administrator. So this is the welcome screen. When it comes, you just click next and then accept the license. Click next. And then you can type in your host name, which hosts the OpenDJ. OpenDJ, mine is sky.org. So, and then I'm going to configure enable 636 and TLS because basically this is for the lab purposes, and for real production, if you want to be secure, please make sure that you put that in the 636. I'm using a self-signed certificate. This is only for testing. So if you have any CA certified certificate, you can use the existing certificate and then put in the right certificate path there. Then click OK. Then you can keep any root DNS, root DN. It can be a direct manager or root account or anyone. So for the lab purpose, I'm leaving that as default and then key in the password. And in my environment, I'm going to put this as a standalone server. Unless you have a replication topology of multiple servers, then you can just select this and then use it as a replication server next time when you install. So I'm going to click with the default on next. And I'm going to leave the backend, the JE backend or PDP backend. You can choose either of the backend type. So in my case, I'm just going to leave that as a sky chat lab. That's my lab DN. And then I'm going to generate some 2000 records over here as a sample record. So you can use an LDIF file. There are a couple of LDIF file samples over here in the OpenDJ directory. Sample templates, you can use either of them. And then if you want the database to be empty, you can just leave that to be empty. So I'm going to import some 2000 records over here. And then click next. And leave the runtimes as default unless or otherwise you want to modify it. Then you can just very well go ahead to the documentation and then work on that over there. Installation guide. So let's leave that to default. I want this to be configured as a Windows service. I would always love to have this as a service because I can have a seamless control on that. And then the service started when it's completed. Let me just click finish and then wait for it to complete. Here we go, it's done. I'm going to click the launch control panel to load the control panel to see whether it has loaded properly. I'm going to type in password. And done. Here is our directory. Thank you very much for watching the video.